a great choice today with the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.